Hey, Jay here, getting ready to head home on my ride. And along the way, I'm gonna just stop and film the lights and put it all together as a little montage for y'all. And maybe it'll just give us all a minute to pause and think about the holidays and what it really means to be compassionate, try to be a little bit more understanding of each other, and maybe embrace some a little bit of that holiday spirit. So peace out and check out the lights.
In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind made moan, earth stood hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow and snow, snow and snow, in the bleak midwinter. Angels and archangels may have gathered there, cherubim and seraphim throng the winter air, but his mother only in a maiden bliss worship the beloved, worship with a kiss, with snow and snow, 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 snow.